Hi everyone. So in this session we are going to create this model in Creo. So this model we can use a new option called sweep. So first of all I'm going to create this bend over here. So it is having a circular cross section having a diameter of 20 and a thickness. So we need to create that. So for sweep, if you go for sweep option, first we need to specify the path. So consider I'm creating my sketch on front plane. So click on sketch, making it normal. So first we need to make the sketch. So I just create a line like this. Fine. So now specify the distance. So total distance over here is from here to here 50. So go for a distance dimension, click on this, so mention it as 50, and this distance is 51.25 plus 23.75. so okay. So next we need to create a bend of fillet that is having a radius of 18.75. so go for fillet, specify this and this, fillet creative. So we need to specify dimension for that. So click over here, radius 18.75. fine. So now click OK. So now we have completed our path. So now click on sweep. So you can create your cross section over here as well, over here also, both are same only. So we need to create this pipe over here. So that is having a cross section of inside diameter 20. So click on this sketch. So now the sketch will change into normal. Create a sketch over there, and on the same center point we need to create another circle. So the outside one is having a diameter of 25. The inside one is having a diameter of 20. So now click OK. So automatically the part will come over here. So click OK. So this is fine. So now on top we need to create this rectangle square shape over there. So click on this face over there and then click on sketch. So now we need to go for center rectangle. Specify the center point, position it. So it is having 50 cross 50. So go for dimension, or before that specify fillet on all the edges. So now specify dimension, this is 50. This is also 50. Already it is taking equal constraint, so we don't need to specify that. So we need to specify fillet radius. So fillet is having a radius of 5. Click on that, radius 5. So now click on equal, make this same everywhere. So completed. So now itself we can create the sketch as well. So automatically it will make a hole. So dia 5 at 4 places we need to make it. So click on circle, I think same center point, position it. Later we can specify the dimension. So it's automatically taking equal constraint, so we need to specify 1. So it is having a diameter of 5. Click OK and then go for extrude. Now if you see here we need hollow, so that also we need to change in sketch itself, that we can change it later. So only change the height to 5. Click OK. So now once again go to sketch, edit it. So we need this hollow, so click on project and make this sketch visible over here. So now automatically it will become hollow. Fine. So next on this side over here we need to make this. So click on this face and go to sketch. So it's a circle. First we will create the outer one and we will position one circle over there. Then we can make others as well on the quadrant, because in here we don't have pattern. And on the same center point, okay, so consider this one. I will just make it as a reference. Fine. So now the outer one is having a diameter of 57.5. Click on this, so go for diameter 57.5, created. And this reference circle is having a diameter of 47.5. Click on this, diameter 47.5. Now click on coincident and select the center and the circle. Here and here as well. So it has to touch the center point, and this circle is having a diameter of 5. Click on this, go for diameter 5. So we need to do the same thing here also. We need to make it hollow. So click on project, either outer or inner. So we can just project one, then click OK. So this one is having a thickness. Consider it has to come inside. So click on extrude, flip the direction, having a distance of 5 mm. Click OK. So now we need to create this feature over here. So for creating that, we need to make this plane on top, then only we can create it like this way. So for creating a new plane, click on this and use this plane as a reference at a distance of 28.75 minus 3.75, that is the thickness, so you will get 25. So 25 is your offset distance. So click OK and now go to sketch. So now we need to form this portion over here. So we need to create two circles. So one, I think one is enough, then we can make that as a whole separately. So that is the outer one we need to make. So that is having a diameter of 20. And we need to position it. It is having a distance of 23.75 from this end. So go for dimension, select this edge in this center, 23.75. Now click OK. So now we need to convert this to solid. So go to extrude, flip direction. You can use up to surface. Click on this and select the surface. So it will come up to that. So now click OK. So it is created fine. So on top we need to make another sketch, that is over here. So first make this outer part, then finally we can make this hole. So click on circle, choose the center point, place a little bit outward on the same, one more circle like this. So then you can draw a line tangential. So those things we can do once we finish it. So this circle is having a radius of 12.5. Click on this, 12.5 created, and this distance is 35. So we'll just mirror it with respect to center. Now go for dimensions, select this center point and this center point. So 35, fine. And we need to specify this one value. It is having diameter 5, the outside is having radius 5. So now join this by using lines over there. So go for tangential constraint between this and this. So here it is taken, here we need to specify it. So now go for delete segment, delete this part, this one, fine. But we need to mirror this line as well. Hold control and select those two lines and then mirror it with respect to the center. So now delete segment once again, delete this, this and this. So completed. So we need to convert this into solid. So it is having 3.75 mm thickness. So click extrude 3.75. Now click OK. So now on top we need to make that hole. So go to sketch, use concentric, select this and place it like this. So diameter already we know, that is 15. Click OK. So now extrude, flip direction, remove material, fine, up to surface, select the inside one, so automatically it will make a hole up to that much. Click OK. So now over here we are having one cross section, same thing, that is also at a certain distance over here. So for that also we need to make a plane. So click on this plane and create a new plane at a distance of 36.25. So in that plane we need to make our sketch. So click on sketch. So first we need to create the outer one, that is having a diameter 20. So click on center point, position it, place it like this, give the diameter 20 and it is at a distance of 17.5 from top. So this has to be coincident with this axis. So that's it. So now click OK and click on extrude, flip direction, up to surface, select this. Now click OK. Now on the same plane we need to make another sketch, that is the inside one, that has to be having a diameter 15. So concentric, select this, position it, so give the diameter, giving diameter as 15, enter, click OK. So extrude, remove material, flip, up to surface, select the inside one, so it will remove up to that. So like this way we can complete it over here. So if you want to see the section view, you can come to view and then section with respect to planar, select this, and then if you want to see the hatching line over there, we can have that option as well. So I will attach the drawing in the description given below. So if you have any doubts, comment and please subscribe. Thank you.